Now, basically, but see, the thing is, what exactly is considered being egotistical? Because they always tell you don't be
Right.
egotistical, but then the same people they say are egotistical is the same people that's the greatest at their shit, at their craft, at what they do. So they'll
Right.
say egotistical, you got to be humble. Then you see a boxer like Floyd Mayweather. They call him egotistical. He's the best at what he do. A person like Kobe Bryant or Michael Jordan or Tiger Woods or just whatever it is that person does, these people are what society would deem egotistical. They're telling us don't behave this way, but these people are extremely successful at what they do. So am I going to
Right.
follow this, or I'm going to follow what society's telling me what to do? Because they seem like they got a formula. So is that egotistical, or we don't understand, or is that confidence?
Well, well,
And
let's explain this. Is the fact is that they was able to utilize their brain. Um, what they was able to do was concentrate and visualize and imagine who they wanted to be, what they wanted to see into the future, and the goal in which that they wanted to achieve. And they was able to focus on that for hours and hours and hours and hours out of the day. In other words, that was the forethought. That was the thought that they focused on the most out of any and everything else that was going on in life was to achieve that goal. So, is that the ego? Of course, the ego gives you the ability to have ambition and desire, but that resurrects also not just from the genitalia, but more so from the heart chakra. The heart chakra is what exhibits what is called the desire body. So you was able to bring that energy from the root, that ego, but then transform it into desire. So that lust, all that energy that they at the genitalia or at the sexual center is able to be channeled up to the heart to transform into desire, and then ultimately transformed into the mental power in which they was able to achieve what they wanted in life. So yes, the ego is used in order to achieve what you want, and that's the proper way of using the ego. Now, just to sit around and just use the ego without any goal, without any focus or concentration, and just speaking on things just because you think that you have some knowledge of it or whatever the case is, then that is the improper way of utilizing the ego. If you're going to utilize the ego, make sure that it accomplishes a goal for you, in which that the world can wonder about. Just like you said with a Kobe Bryant or Michael Jordan or whoever, Mike Tyson or Floyd Mayweather or whoever. Let it lead a legacy here on the planet for you. All right. So yes, that's the proper way of utilizing the ego. Is the ego bad? No, not in the way in which I just stated. In which that helps you leave a historical legacy behind. But if you're just going to use it, just to be better than someone else, you know, um, egotistically in that sense, then that's not the proper way of using it. If you're going to achieve it, make sure that you're going to do it because it's something that you really want out of everything else in which that you've been focused on.